Platinum 2 Series. With over 50 years experience in the lift truck industry, Nissan has earned a solid reputation for producing the finest quality products available, providing reliable performance and low cost of operation for its customers. Nissan continues this tradition by delivering a perfect balance of features in its Platinum 2 Series, satisfying its owners, operators, and the needs of our planet. Available in capacities ranging from 3 to 8,000 pounds, Platinum 2 lift trucks are powered by Nissan's own fuel-efficient industrial engines. Higher torque and power at low engine RPMs mean exceptional travel speeds, better acceleration, and greater lifting power are achieved to get the job done faster and more economically. In addition to considerable fuel savings, the Platinum 2 emits cleaner exhaust emissions. CARB certification levels show Nissan produces nearly 2/3 less carbon monoxide versus a major competitor. In fact, our commitment to the environment is so strong, our engines already meet the stringent emission standards required by CARB for 2010. Additionally, what makes these lift trucks so unique and sets Nissan apart is the long list of standard features the Platinum 2 offers its users. Nearly every truck in this series is equipped with an engine and transmission protection and warning system. A costly add-on for other manufacturers, this safeguard is especially vital in severe applications. Maximum travel speed settings, a comfortable full suspension seat, operator presence system, built-in diagnostics, and a 5-piece reinforced overhead guard. Nissan's Platinum 2 Series forklifts. Perfect balance. Achieved. For more information on the value Nissan's Platinum 2 can offer your operation, call one of our authorized dealers today. Select Find a Dealer to locate someone near you and ask for a test drive.